it's hot in here. Alright guys, how's it going? So I wanted to make a little video pretty much catching everybody out there up with what the hell I've been up to. Yeah, I got a new car. I think I showed it in like that last recent video I uploaded. Recent, it was 5 months ago, but it's my 350Z. There's been some things done to it. I'm gonna hop out the car real quick and kind of just show you guys what's new. The car looks the same, but suspension wise, drivetrain is a little different, I would say. Engine performance, the same as well. But yeah, I've been drifting. Like I said, I have some footage, but we'll get into that right after I show the car. So let's just get right into it. Bear with me, I know it's looking a little ugly right now. It's on 2 wheels because I actually just had an event this past weekend. So 2 days ago was Sunday and I was on track. So it's still in little drift mode because the burners are still on the back, but I managed to drive home on them anyway. But as you can see, the car is pretty low. I am on the PBM coilovers. I have 18K spring rate in the front, 10K spring rates in the rear. Also have a welded differential and PBM's solid differential bushing and the collars. You know, I said a lot has been done to it, but honestly, it's not too much. Up front, we've got the GK Tech, so the Australian company. Not sure if anyone has heard of them, but they have a angle kit that they make for the Z. It's really cheap, or budget friendly I should say, but it works phenomenal. It's got like quicker steering ratio and everything like that. I just put this on a week ago, and this last drift event this past weekend was when I first got to take it for a little test. So yeah, I mean, not much is new to the car, like I said. Just those coilovers, the angle kit, spacers, the exhaust, catback. Engine wise is all stock, but I've been drifting it like this pretty much all season. So from April until now, and it is now September, I've hit up just about all the local events I can with, you know, my schedule. I can't drive on Saturdays because I'm always working Saturdays, but I've been pretty much going to every Sunday event that I can hit up. So that being said, I actually do have quite a bit of footage from the drift events, not too much from the outside, you know, some helmet cam, some phone clips from the outside. So I'm just gonna throw them all in, anything that I can find on my computer, so you guys can see what's been popping, how I've been driving, and everything like that. So like I said, first season drifting, first time with a rear-wheel drive car, first time really, you know, really driving a car on track. My EK, yeah, I took out a few times, but it's an EK. It's like, that doesn't really count. So let me throw some clips in. Hopefully you guys enjoy what you see. And I know the season is basically over, so I'm honestly just gonna say this might even be the only video I make for, you know, the rest of the year. But you know what? Hopefully you enjoy it. So like I said, I don't know if you caught it, but I did say I sold the EK. So the hatch, the Civic, is gone. Gotta apologize to all the Honda boys. Trust me, still a Honda man's at heart, but I had to let it go because drifting's a lot of fun, and I didn't have the space in my garage to work on this car when I wanted to, right? I just wanted to be able to pull it in my garage, do what I needed to do to it, and take it back out. The EK was always in the garage, and I'm lazy, okay? I'm still gonna get myself into a Honda again, just watch, don't worry about that. But for now, I wanna focus on this whole drifting because it is so fun. I can't get enough of it. Ever since I went out on track, I just can't stop. So hopefully you guys like those few clips, and you know, maybe you're into this whole 350Z thing, because if you are, make sure you like this video and you subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And once again, to the Honda mans, maybe you'll enjoy this content too. So once again, take care guys, and I will see you in the next video.